In this video, I'm going to show you how to drift in Mario Kart World. So to do this, you first need to go ahead and make sure you identify the drift button. The drift button is right over here. This one on the red Joy-Con, there is going to be a button that says R, and this is basically what we're going to be using in order to drift. So I hope you guys are able to see it, but it actually does say 2R right over here, and it is right on top of the red Joy-Con. So make sure that this red one over here, you select on this button over here. And that is basically going to allow you to drift. And there's also going to give you a menu as well. So yeah, there's actually a lot more that goes to drifting than just pressing this button. So just make sure that you know that this is the button that you need to press in order to start drifting. So, and we also need to go ahead and use the joystick. So I would like using this one over here, the blue one on the opposite side. And this really allows you to change the direction of your drift because you need to make sure you drift in the right direction. So let me show you guys what I mean. Okay, so when it comes to drifting, the first thing you always want to do is you want to get some momentum. You are not able to drift properly if you don't have momentum, so make sure you go ahead and drive for a little bit. You really don't need to drive for too long. I would say like 10 seconds and you are good to go. And now whenever you are approaching a turn, here's what you need to do. You need to go ahead and press on the drift button, and then with the Joy-Con, make sure to change the direction. So look at this, look at the blue Joy-Con. I am putting it in the direction that I'm going to drift in. So there you go. I was now able to go ahead and drift, and oh my god, I accidentally got killed by that blue shell. I totally did not notice because I was recording this video. But yeah, let me go ahead and demonstrate that again. So look, we have a turn right over here. Make sure to drift. And another good rule of thumb is you want to identify turns in advance. So make sure to keep looking forward and make sure to prepare for any types of turns. And if you do drift for like around 5 seconds or more, then you will even get like a little boost. So let me go ahead and show you guys really quickly. So bam, there you go. We just got a boost, and that will actually help us out in Mario Kart World as well. But yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.